Karcher K2 Classic 1.4 kilowatt being packed for Daraz Order. This is the serial number. You can see the contents. This is the shipping label, 21st October 2024. This customer has ordered it with 750 ml shampoo dispenser and 360-degree variable nozzle and a quick connector. This is the pressure hose. This is the machine. This is the instruction manual. ठीक है, अंदर डालो कुछ चीज़ अंदर डाल दो। ठीक है, पैक करो, टेप लगाओ। Now we will pack it in Daraz standard brown sheet and shrink wrap, which we will show you in another video. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.